this webinar conducted by Persevere. I'm Faizan Sheikh and I'll be your host for the webinar. We are happy to present Insta-FinPro, an SAP qualified partner package of SAP Cloud ERP. Let me take you through today's agenda. Today's webinar will be spanning 60 minutes approximately and is divided into 6 parts. In the part 1 of the webinar, we will first cover the challenges business growth can create for SMEs today. In the second part, we would introduce you to Insta-FinPro, the catalyst SMEs need today to manage growth. In part 3, we'll get a bit deeper into Insta-FinPro's capabilities and show how it adds value compared to any accounting softwares and helps enterprises manage their growth. In part 4, we'll share the top 6 benefits an SMEs get with Insta-FinPro. We have the senior leadership of SAP India and Persevere sharing their point of view here. In part 5, we'll give you a visualization of how your business will look like with Insta-FinPro in the future. And finally, we'll tell you how we help you evaluate Insta-FinPro for your business through a unique discovery workshop. We will then open the webinar for questions and answers. We have put in the best of our efforts to make this webinar relevant, informative, and engaging for you. We hope you find it helpful. Let us begin with the first part, the challenges faced by fast-growing SMEs today and the impact of these challenges. Growing a business is both exciting and challenging. You see your business expanding, things happening, and in the progress you're making, you're adding new employees and acquiring new customers. However, as your business grows, you are entering new territories. You have a new set of goals and realize that what worked for you in the past is not sufficient. You learn that you would have to transform your business to sustain your growth. Let us delve a little deeper into the challenges that growth brings your business. Your business is demanding more time, efforts, and resources from you. So you work harder to make things happen. And you realize that to scale, you cannot do things on your own. Instead, you must rely on people, system, processes to run your business. You start increasing employees. As you do that, you also realize that you need to steer them in the right direction and increase their productivity to run your business successfully. You start adding more customers. But as you do that, you realize that your customers have become more demanding and your competitors have become more fierce, and you have to focus more on creating great experiences and building strong customer relationship. You also start to outgrow your business systems. You realize that you need to integrate and automate multiple functions of your business to be more profitable, productive, and efficient. You also discover that you must rely on data-driven insights to make intelligent decisions, and have accounting or customized software or Excel-based system would not be sufficient. Also, last but not the least, external factors like government, technology, customer behavior also start affecting your business as you grow. You realize that you must adapt to these factors to run your business proactively. The challenges business growth brings put small and medium enterprises in a difficult situation. It requires paradigm shift in the way they approach their business. We introduce you to Insta-FinPro, the game changer to manage growth. Insta-FinPro can successfully manage these challenges and take your business to the next level. We now move on to the part 2 of this webinar, where we'll give you more details about Insta-FinPro.
Persevere, an award-winning SAP Gold partner, brings to you Insta-FinPro. Insta-FinPro is designed for SMEs to help them move beyond accounting software and start their journey with SAP's Cloud ERP Solutions in just 8 weeks. Insta-FinPro is an SAP qualified partner package of SAP's Cloud ERP, SAP Business by Design. SAP's endorsement means that the solution undergoes a rigorous qualification by SAP for its uniqueness and ability to deliver value to customers. It bundles 10 users of SAP Business by Design and fixed scope implementation services from Persevere into one package at highly reasonable prices. Insta-FinPro takes finance-first approach to implement SAP Business by Design. Automate financial and management accounting operations. Manage your customers, sales, and account receivables. Handle your vendors, purchase operations, and accounts payables. Manage the entire life cycle of your fixed assets. handle your banking operations and liquidity management, take care of tax compliances for India and other countries. With Insta-FinPro, you also get additional tools and capabilities bundled with SAP Business by Design that gives extra power to SMEs to manage their growth. These extra capabilities are also differentiating factors when compared to accounting software. Let us look at some of them. Get capabilities to not only automate business functions, but also manage them efficiently. For example, when you implement the sales module, you also get the tools that help you manage the credit with the customers and ensure you collect the payments from them on time. Get access to business best practices for every business function curated by SAP for more than their 50 years of experience. InstaFinPro package comes bundled with these best practices as process templates that are ready to use. Get comprehensive business insight from the word go. InstaFinPro comes bundled with world-class analytical tools and ready-made reports, KPIs, and dashboards. Use intelligent technologies to speed up your business operations. For example, InstaFinPro comes bundled with intelligent supplier scanning that automatically identifies the scanned vendor invoices and uploads them to SAP Business by Design. You get the access to the entire ERP suite in a box. Start by implementing the core functions with InstaFinPro and then progressively implement the additional functionality at your convenience. Operate your business on the cloud. The SAP Business by Design is a cloud ERP software. Get 99.9% of uptime. Access your business anywhere and anytime. And don't worry about the information security or IT infrastructure. SAP takes care of all these aspects. InstaFinPro is brought to you by Persevere, SAP's award-winning gold partner. With Persevere, you would get an expert and a guide who can help you in your business transformation using technology. We are a young software solution company established in 2017 and headquartered in the UK with business operations in India, UK, and North America. We bring process efficiency to business enterprises with best-in-class software solutions and intelligent technologies. We work with customers throughout the life cycle of digital and process transformation from business process adaptation to automation and from optimization to continuous process improvement. We help enterprises adapt to business processes with SAP's Cloud ERP Solutions, SAP Business by Design, and SAP S/4HANA. We provide robotic process automation solutions from SAP and UiPath to bring further automation, efficiency, and speed to enterprise processes. We also analyze and optimize an enterprise's business processes with process intelligence solutions like FutureRoot and SAP Signavio. Plus, we also offer application maintenance support services to help enterprises achieve long-term success and continuous process improvements. So we have done some great work for our customers. We have served both growing small and medium businesses for Fortune 500 companies, and we have successful implementation in 30 plus countries. Through our client engagements, we have offered our solutions and services to well-known brands across UK, US, France, India, Middle East, catering to diverse industry verticals. SAP has also recognized us for the fantastic work that we are doing. We got the award of India's Emerging Partner of SAP Cloud ERP Solutions 2019 for the impact we are creating for our customers with SAP solutions. So rest assured, with Persevere, you will have a valuable partner who can help you manage your growth and take you to the next level through digital and process transformation initiatives.
Hi, I'm Shama, an SAP Cloud ERP expert at Persevere. In this part, we will explain to you the capabilities of Insta-FinPro. We will also touch upon how it value adds when compared to accounting software and how it helps you manage your growing business. We will divide this part into 8 sections. First, we will let you know how Insta-FinPro manages the core financial operations. Then, we will see how it helps you handle customers and sales operations. We will then move on to know the procurement capabilities of Insta-FinPro. Next, we will look at how it manages the fixed assets lifecycle. We will then see how banking operations and liquidity are managed. We will discuss how it is India tax compliant. And we will also discuss how it helps you in employment administration. And finally, we will show the analytics tool of Insta-FinPro to give you intelligent business insights. Let us begin with the core financial operations. Insta-FinPro automates and manages both your core financial and management accounting operations in SAP Business by Design. It helps you do the core functions of bookkeeping, organize your company's ledgers and subledgers with a multi-level chart of accounts, post your company's accounting transactions with journal vouchers and expenses, keep an eye on your expenditure by creating budgets and tracking budgets versus actual. Define posting profiles to create automatic accounting entries from transactions across the ERP system. Automate and manage your periodic account closing and year-end closing. Also get a real-time view of the financial state of your business with financial statements. For example, get online trial balance, profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, and many more reports. Now, let us discuss the value addition Insta-FinPro brings in managing core financial operations. Notably, these are the areas where it differentiates from any accounting software and helps you when your business is growing. As the business grows, you would have multiple companies in your group or add companies to your group as your business expands. With Insta-FinPro, manage multiple companies within your group. Insta-FinPro supports multi-company operations. Plus, it also helps you maintain books of accounts, your companies within the same ARP. It also supports and automates intercompany transactions, plus it also automates multi-company consolidations. Insta-FinPro also allows you to maintain parallel books of accounts for every company. Also define rules based on which any transaction simultaneously updates all these books of accounts automatically. This feature is handy if you want different treatment of your books of accounts based on specific situations. For example, you could maintain separate books of accounts for your financial, management, and tax accounting, as the accounting treatment of these transactions differ in each of these situations. You may start working with companies in different countries as your business grows, or you may expand your operations to multi-countries. Insta-FinPro helps you here with its multi-currency feature. Maintain multiple currencies in Insta-FinPro. Manage import and export transactions across different currencies. If you expand your operations overseas, Insta-FinPro helps you maintain your transactions in the local currency and automatically consolidates your books of accounts in the base currency. Insta-FinPro also integrates with exchange rate API providers to seamlessly convert foreign currency transactions into base currency. Now, let us look at how Insta-FinPro helps manage customer and sales operations for your business. To begin with, Insta-FinPro helps you manage the entire quote-to-cash cycle of a customer in SAP Business by Design. Create a customer card to maintain a central repository of customer data. Create customer codes and convert them into customer orders once the code is confirmed. Then deliver your products and services. Also automatically generate customer invoices and record payments made by the customer. Also manage sales returns and create credit memos. While these are standard features offered by any accounting and invoicing system, SAP Business by Design has unique features that enterprises be ready for scale and growth. As you grow, monitoring the health of your customer relationship is crucial. It helps you have a proactive approach to maintaining good customer relationships. Insta-FinPro can record your interactions with your customers in SAP Business by Design. Whether it is an email, a phone call, or a face-to-face conversation, you record all the interactions in SAP Business by Design. As a result, you get a 360-degree view of both transactions and interactions with your customers on the same dashboard. Based on this, you can gauge your customer relationships and take proactive steps to maintain healthy customer relationships. Contracts are essential to daily business where customers negotiate agreements on products or service pricing terms, invoicing, and payment terms. With Insta-FinPro, create and manage contracts related to materials and services with your customers. Contracts in Insta-FinPro help you define product pricing, discounting, invoicing, and payment terms you have negotiated with your customers. Also configure fixed price or time and material contracts and define invoice schedules in your contracts if you have to bill your customers at specific intervals. Contracts are integrated seamlessly with sales and service processes, allowing you to fulfill and confirm the sale of materials and services carried out for a contract. Typically, as the business grows, you are also required to give credit to customers and set credit limits based on the credibility of the customers. But you also have to be careful not to have overexposure on credit with your customers. With Insta-FinPro, set credit limits for customers in SAP Business by Design. Insta-FinPro also enables you to set controls and configure workflows to manage credit with your customers efficiently. For example, by configuring workflows, you can get alerts when customer is nearing or exceeding their credit limits and take decisions of processing their orders based on this. As your business grows, you deliver products and services to multiple customers. As a result, it can be challenging to track the invoices generated. With Insta-FinPro, never miss invoicing your customers. Insta-FinPro helps you schedule invoice runs in SAP Business by Design. The scheduled invoice run will automatically identify the invoices that need to be generated based on shipped items or services provided. Run these workflows periodically or automatically schedule them to generate draft invoices. Then, based on the review, you can approve them and generate these invoices. As your business grows, you will innovate and expand your product and service offerings to your customers. You may deliver products, services, projects, or a combination of these to your customers. Within Insta-FinPro, manage your invoicing for products, services, and projects, or a combination of these. You can also configure sales kits to club product and service offerings to your customers. One of the most critical aspects of business is to have adequate working capital to run your business operations. Get sufficient working capital for your business by getting receivables on time. Automatically determine the invoices and down payment request for which payment is overdue or due shortly, and send them in advance to receive your payments on time. Insta-FinPro also helps to automate and manage follow-ups with your customer for receivables with an efficient dunning or payment reminder mechanism. Define rules relating to payment reminders, set predefined templates for payment reminders based on these rules, and send payment reminders to your customers by email or print document. SAP Business by Design comes bundled with comprehensive CRM modules. You can automate marketing operations to generate leads for your business. You can also have a Salesforce automation system to track and manage your pre-sales processes. After selling your products and services to your customers, you can also manage the post-sales services offered to the customers. So, in the future, after implementing SAP Business by Design's core business functions, you can automate these functions to have a complete CRM system with a 360-degree view of your customers. Now, let us look at how Insta-FinPro helps manage supplier and purchase operations for your business. Insta-FinPro helps you manage the entire procure-to-pay cycle of your suppliers or vendors in SAP Business by Design. Create suppliers and maintain a central repository of suppliers. Record quotes from vendors and automatically convert them to purchase orders. Receive materials based on purchase orders and check if they are as per the specifications requested. Manage purchase returns to return defective to the suppliers. Create debit notes for your suppliers. Create purchase invoices for accepted items and pay the vendors based on the invoices. Apart from standard purchase operations, Insta-FinPro also helps you strengthen your relationships with suppliers. It also enables you to improve your procurement processes to reduce cost and turn suppliers into a competitive advantage. These areas differentiate Insta-FinPro from any other accounting package. Identify the best supplier for your business and create long-term contracts with them to turn suppliers into a competitive advantage. With Insta-FinPro, create and release requests for quotations to potential vendors and get quotations from them. Subsequently, compare quotes, evaluate vendors, negotiate with them, and get the best contract terms. Also create and manage long-term purchase contracts with your suppliers with pricing, invoicing, and payment terms in Insta-FinPro. As your business scales up, it is essential to collaborate with suppliers optimally, maintain strong relationships with the suppliers, and monitor their performance to achieve a sustainable and long-term cost advantage. Insta-FinPro integrates your procurement operations with your other core business processes and give you real-time visibility of your supply chain operations. As a result, you can proactively collaborate with your suppliers and give them adequate turnaround time to respond to your needs. It also helps in strengthening your supplier relationships. Further, Insta-FinPro also provides powerful reporting tools that give insight into procurement operations and supplier performance. Based on these insights, you can assess and optimize supplier relationships, take the right sourcing decisions, and achieve significant cost savings. To maintain resilience and ensure a constant supply of raw materials and services, it is also essential to have multiple options of suppliers at your disposal. SAP Business by Design also has a robust vendor cataloging system to manage that. Create a vendor catalog and invite vendors to update their products, service offerings, and terms in the catalog. So, if your standard vendor cannot provide you with materials or services, you always have the visibility and options to work with alternative vendors. Within Insta-FinPro, never miss the fulfillment of your purchase requirements. As your business grows, your purchase department will have to manage numerous purchase requests. With requests coming from multiple sources and departments, it can become difficult to track and fulfill the requirements of various departments on time. With Insta-FinPro, get a structured mechanism for raising and consolidating purchase requests. Insta-FinPro first offers multiple methods of collecting purchase requests. For example, give all the departments an easy-to-use form or provide them with a self-serviceable shopping cart app to submit purchase requests. Then, Insta-FinPro automatically provides a consolidated view of all the purchase requests to the purchasing department. It does not matter where they came from, shopping carts, purchase request forms, or material planning engine. As a result, you can track all the purchase requests and take necessary actions to fulfill them. As you work more with the customers, delivering your products and services on time is vital to keep your customers happy. However, for that to happen, you must ensure you get raw material supply on time. Once the purchase orders are issued, Insta-FinPro can automatically generate purchase request reminders, letters to suppliers in SAP Business by Design. With Insta-FinPro, you can build reminder letter templates for your suppliers and automatically send them if they delay their acknowledgement of orders or delivery. Doing this will help your suppliers prioritize your purchase, ensuring timely delivery of materials or services. Growing your enterprise will require you to delegate and get things done through others. However, you must maintain a delicate balance between delegating and maintaining control. Insta-FinPro helps you automate and delegate the work of purchase activities. Yet, for areas with exception, Insta-FinPro enables you to create rule-based approval workflows before generating purchase documents. For example, you can define workflows and special rules or exceptions for purchasing specific items or if the purchase value exceeds a particular limit. Based on these, Insta-FinPro will automatically run these workflows and get the necessary approvals before you raise invoice or orders. Now, let us move on and look how Insta-FinPro helps manage the fixed assets of the enterprise. With Insta-FinPro, you can automate the entire process relating to fixed asset from procurement to retirement. As a business, you would make various capital investments for acquiring fixed assets. Therefore, organizing fixed assets become essential. It helps you physically track them, maintain the investments and the expenses associated with them, and give proper accounting treatment. Within Insta-FinPro, you can create various types of fixed assets, tangible, intangible, or low-value fixed assets. Then associate your fixed assets to fixed asset classes to determine the statutory, valuation, and tax treatment. You can also categorize and organize your fixed assets as assets and subassets. Manage the entire purchase cycle of fixed assets with Insta-FinPro. Typically, many fixed assets such as plant and machinery, land and building require substantial capital investments. Therefore, managing and controlling the purchase cycle becomes essential as it helps keep track of the total investments made. Insta-FinPro manages the entire cycle of purchase of fixed assets from receiving and comparing quotations, creating purchase orders, receiving the fixed assets, invoicing for the purchase, and making payments for the fixed assets purchased. If the fixed assets require commissioning, you can also maintain the commissioning cost and include them in the valuation of the fixed assets. Maintaining fixed assets valuation is challenging, especially when enterprises make consistent investments in fixed assets. For example, when you are expanding operations and are making investments into fixed assets, or when you have to maintain and replace parts of your plant and machinery. Within Insta-FinPro, track and maintain the valuation of fixed assets automatically. First, you can track your investments or expenses through the procurement process of fixed assets. Then, you can ascertain the value of fixed assets and calculate the depreciation or appreciation as per the multiple valuation logics. You can also automatically change the valuation of fixed assets based on the procurement of additional sub-assets or replacement of sub-assets. Insta-FinPro also supports automatic calculation and accounting of depreciation as required by Indian statutory regulations. Insta-FinPro supports straight line, written down value, or special purpose depreciation. With Insta-FinPro, you can manage the sale of fixed assets, either as a whole or in parts. Insta-FinPro helps manage the sale process, such as raising the sales orders, shipping, invoicing, and receiving payments for the sale of fixed assets. Insta-FinPro also handles the retirement of fixed assets. Retire your fixed assets as scrap or by simply deactivating them. Let us move on to how Insta-FinPro helps you manage your banking operations and liquidity. While most accounting software enable you to track and manage basic banking operations, Insta-FinPro goes beyond to help you manage your liquidity. But let us begin by describing how Insta-FinPro helps you manage your banking operations. With Insta-FinPro, you can create and manage multiple types of bank accounts: current account, credit card account, and foreign currency accounts. Manage incoming and outgoing payments and interbank transfers from your bank accounts. Perform a liquidity check before initiating any outgoing payment or interbank transfers. Also receive and make bank payments by checks or electronic transfers. Within Insta-FinPro, you can also manage your checkbooks and automate the check printing process. In addition, you can handle your foreign exchange transactions and maintain their records as per the statutory requirements. Automatically reconcile your bank accounts with Insta-FinPro. You can define bank statement formats and upload the bank statements. Based on this, you can automatically match receipts and payments and reconcile your bank accounts. Apart from managing your banking operations, Insta-FinPro adds value by helping you manage your liquidity and shorten your cash cycles. Insta-FinPro helps you forecast your liquidity for short-term and medium-term to help you make financing decisions. It intelligently indicates your expected cash inflows and outflows for a period so you can know when there would be a shortfall or excess of liquidity. Based on this, you identify critical issues and generate new tasks for financial personnel responsible for addressing these issues. Insta-FinPro helps you not only manage India tax compliance, but it also helps you manage tax compliance for over 170 countries. So, if you plan to expand to overseas market, Insta-FinPro is geared up to manage it for your business. Let us now look at the features of Insta-FinPro in managing tax compliance in India. First, we begin with Goods and Service Tax or GST. With Insta-FinPro, you can maintain all the GST master data, update GST identification number for your business, mass upload the HSN SSC code for materials and services, capture customer and vendor GST numbers, maintain CGST, SGST, and IGST tax types, and manage GST tax codes for interstate, intrastate scenarios, export, import of services, reverse charge, and import of goods. Then automatically calculate GST for sales invoices, stock transfers, and advance payments. Print GST compliant invoices and generate e-way bills and e-invoices. Insta-FinPro automatically generates GST returns like GSTR1, GSTR2, and GSTR3 in Excel formats that are ready to be filed. Using the outgoing bank payments, you can make payments of GST based on the GST calculations. You can also create workflows that remind you to make these payments on time. Apart from GST, Insta-FinPro also supports tax collected at source, TCS, and tax deducted at source, TDS. It also facilitates tax prepayments and helps you post manual tax journals for TDS challan generation and TDS payments. Insta-FinPro also automatically generates TDS certificates for both salary TDS, Form 16A, and non-salary TDS, File 26Q. Insta-FinPro ensures efficient and effective HR operations to maximize the potential of your employees. With Insta-FinPro, employees get personalized business portals tailored to their job functions and self-service features to streamline the execution of daily tasks. Plus, Insta-FinPro also helps you effectively administer your employees. With Insta-FinPro, you can maintain the employee master for all your employees, including their details and statutory related data. In addition, you can also store compensation details for the employees. While Insta-FinPro and SAP Business by Design do not support employee payroll processing, it allows you to upload the processed payroll data to maintain an account for the records. SAP Business by Design also has advanced HR and employee management capabilities built into the solution, such as compensation, resource management, time administration, and employee self-service. While Insta-FinPro limits the scope of implementation up to personal administration, these features are available for your business and can be implemented in the future. Now, let us move to the next section where we look at how Insta-FinPro helps you get the intelligent business insights. Most business systems offer transaction processing capability and generate standard reports. However, they rely on third-party analytics app for providing self-serviceable insights, dashboards, and KPIs. But in Insta-FinPro, business analytics is built inside. As a result, you can create Excel-like pivot table reports with integrated ERP data within Insta-FinPro. The best part is that all these pivot table-like analytics are entirely drill downable up to the last level of the source document or ledger entry. Insta-FinPro and SAP Business by Design have hundreds of pre-built dashboards and KPIs across all the solution models. However, to give you convenient and easy access to these dashboards and KPIs, Insta-FinPro also gives you the facility to create personalized insights pages. Simply create your insights pages and choose the dashboards, report card, and KPIs you want to pin in them. You can also customize these dashboards and KPIs to suit your need. While Insta-FinPro offers powerful analytical capabilities, many users would also like to use Microsoft Excel for further analysis. To support such users, Insta-FinPro has solid integration with Microsoft Excel. Choose any report or KPI and start analyzing them in Microsoft Excel at the click of a button. With Insta-FinPro, you can access any report, KPI, and dashboard in the SAP Business by Design mobile app. Simply choose the report, dashboard, or KPI you want to embed on the mobile and enable mobile access for it. And it will be available in your SAP Business by Design mobile app. In this section, we will look at how Insta-FinPro introduces your business to intelligent technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. Insta-FinPro comes bundled with one such use case of intelligent technology where artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation are used for managing supplier invoices. With this IRPA functionality, Insta-FinPro intelligently scans and processes supplier invoices and automatically creates supplier invoices in SAP Business by Design without manual intervention. First, the RPA bot will intelligently identify the supplier and the product service line items from the scanned invoice. Then, it will automatically match it with the suppliers and the items in SAP Business by Design. After that, it would update the supplier invoice in SAP Business by Design. This feature can significantly reduce manual work and save time for your purchasing department as they don't have to do any data entry for these supplier invoices. While Insta-FinPro builds in one critical use case, SAP Business by Design is capable of integrating with many smart technologies.
Now that you know the capabilities of Insta-FinPro, let us move to part 4 of this webinar. Hi, I'm Anmol, an SAP Cloud ERP expert at Persevere. In this part, we will give you the top 5 benefits that make this package ideal for fast-growing SMEs. As you have realized by now, the Insta-FinPro provides much more capabilities than any other accounting packages like Zoho, Tally, or QuickBooks. Now, let us explore the additional benefits of Insta-FinPro compared to any other accounting solution. But before moving further, what is an accounting package? An accounting package is a great solution to operate when the business is small, but it also offers limited capabilities, which is not good, especially when your company is growing. With an accounting package automates some of the finance functions, Insta-FinPro provides value-added processes to your business that brings efficiency and manages the scale. For example, purchase management focuses on just automating purchase orders, invoices, and payments to vendor. Whereas with Insta-FinPro, you will also have a process to work with the right vendors, maintain good supplier relationships, and have a system to build supply resilience. And apart from that, have a mechanism to monitor and evaluate your supplier. Insta-FinPro package of SAP Business by Design offers one single integrated system that covers all the enterprise's business functions. Not only does it cover the breadth of functionalities, but it also offers a substantial depth of capabilities in every business function. As a result, enterprises will have a single system to automate their entire business processes. With tightly integrated modules, enterprise will also have a single version of the truth of their business and their respective transactions. Users also get harmonized user interface, making it easy for them to adapt to the software. Accounting software, on the other hand, has limited functionality. So if the enterprise wants deeper automation, they must depend on multiple systems. When numerous systems operate, you have a mesh of systems. Mesh of systems often creates complexity and waste resources and still do not serve the purpose. As a result, productivity is lost rather than saving time and effort. To elaborate, a mesh of system creates multiple versions of truth, leading to a lot of time and effort in reconciliation. And the UIs are often different across systems, leading to challenges in user adoption. Plus, getting integrated business analytics also become difficult. Insta-FinPro package of SAP Business by Design fulfill its objective of bringing process efficiencies to an enterprise. It provides the business best practices accumulated by SAP's 50 years of experience. As a result, enterprise can bring productivity across resources like people, processes, plant, machines, material, money, and other resources. An accounting software's objective is record keeping. It just record the accounting and inventory transaction and fulfill the basic reporting requirements. An accounting software does not bring the best practices to the table, does not offer any advanced automation, and does not bring the process efficiencies. And in return, it does not help the enterprise to optimize the productivity of its resources. Insta-FinPro package of SAP Business by Design provides a very robust platform to use intelligence technologies like AI, machine learning, robotic process automation, and cloud computing. These technologies bring speed, efficiency, and intelligence to the business. As discussed earlier, InstaFinPro also bundles one such use case by providing supplier invoice automation using the RPA technology. On the other hand, accounting software has a very limited scope of operations. It typically does not focus on such technologies in its software. Even if it uses some of them, the range or the impact would be very minimal. As a result, enterprise cannot leverage these technologies, which are fast becoming a defining factor to stay competitive in today's technology-driven market. Sometimes SMEs do realize that ERP is a deal for their business, but they do not change because of the high cost, time, and effort involved in the change. But with InstaFinPro, you can remove all these fears and start your journey with SAP Cloud ERP. The InstaFin Pro package offers SAP Business by Design license for 10 users at a very discounted price of rupees 14 lakhs per year. In return, you'll get a solid business system from SAP on cloud that addresses all the enterprise's business function. The InstaFin Pro package also offers implementation at a very attractive price. To implement the InstaFin Pro, Persepier is offering a special price of implementation of rupees 10 lakhs as a one-time fee. It includes a fixed scope of implementation in just 8 weeks and post-go live support for next consecutive 2 weeks. The time, money, and effort spent on InstaFin Pro will be worth because it will become the backbone of the enterprise that would give the discipline to run their business, provide business efficiencies, increase productivity, and also improve your revenues and save cost. InstaFinPro is also an excellent investment that would give you some handsome returns. Research suggests that the ROI for SAP Business by Design is more than 200% and the payback period is just less than 5 months. The InstaFinPro package of SAP Cloud ERP gives you a robust roadmap for digitally transforming your business. With Insta-FinPro package, you get the entire product offering of SAP Business by Design, which has comprehensive capabilities across all business functions. However, Insta-FinPro implements only on finance-focused core business operations so that you can start your journey quickly and affordably. However, once you implement these modules, you can plan to automate other modules of SAP Business by Design and implement other intelligent technologies with Percipere. Percipere can also draw a digital transformation roadmap for your business. And with Persevere by your side, you could take up as many projects and bring incremental business transformation without disrupting your operations. Insta-FinPro has the right credentials to ensure successful ERP implementation for your business. Our customer Gupshup, one of the leading providers of conversational messaging platforms for commerce, marketing, and support, has implemented SAP Business by Design using the finance first approach. With the help of Persipere, they have implemented the core modules of SAP Business by Design in a record time. As we speak, they have been successfully using the SAP Business by Design for over 2 years. Apart from the core SAP Business by Design functionalities, they have also implemented the automated supplier invoice scanning using the RPA boards and integrated this with supplier invoice management of SAP Business by Design. SAP has also recognized Insta-FinPro as a qualified partner package solution. Let us hear from SAP about what qualified partner package solution means and how it helps the customers. Now, I'm handing over this to Amit Hasija, Head of Qualified Partner Package Solution Program at SAP India. He will give us an overview.
Hi, I'm Amit Hasija. I'm a part of the SAP Partner Solution Adoption team for the India market unit. As a part of the SAP Partner Solution Adoption team, we work along with partners such as Persipere to help our customers on their digital transformation journey and also staying relevant in the current times. One of the programs that we run as a part of the Partner Solution Adoption team is the SAP Qualified Partner Package Program, or the SAP QPPS. What this means is we offer a bundle that combines the SAP software along with the implementation services being offered by a partner and any expertise, any industry expertise, or a product expertise brought by the partner on the table for its customers. It also offers a number of significant benefits for our customers in India. For example, we provide predictable outcomes. What we mean is that this package is based on a number of successful go lives and similar deployments across the customers in this particular industry. It is also a very well documented approach in which is based on the SAP's best practices. And since it's very well documented, the customers already know what to expect from the implementation. We also say that 80% of your business requirements can be met through this software. Also, because of this low customization that we are recommending, it also offers a low risk to the customers. Additionally, what it also means is this solution is very, very affordable. This is because we are combining the SAP product plus the services of the partner, plus any innovations and the hosting capabilities being offered by the partner under one roof, which also leads to a lot of cost savings and a faster time to value for our customers. Additionally, this qualification also goes through a very rigorous process. So which means during the process of the qualification itself, we had a number of discussions with Persipere where we validated the unique value proposition or the industry expertise that Persipere is bringing to the table, and that will help benefit the partners or the customers in India. Persipere is one of the preferred partners in the India market unit partner ecosystem. Persipere has proven capabilities in the deployment of the SAP Cloud Solutions. They also have proven capabilities in the deployment of the emerging technologies in the area of artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, blockchain, machine learning, cloud computing, and others. When we were working with Persipere on the Insta-FinPro package, we also realized that Persipere has a global footprint of successful customers worldwide. In fact, they have more than 30 plus deployment of various SAP Cloud solutions across the world. Even in India, one of our leading digital natives, Gupshup, with about 4.5 billion messages per day, has chosen Persipere for the deployment of a robust accounting platform. And Persepier implemented not just the robust accounting platform, they also streamlined the procurement processes as well as the human resource processes within the organization. We have worked with Persepier on the Insta-FinPro package, which promises the streamlining of the financial accounting as well as the managing accounting processes within a timeline of 6 to 8 weeks. It also promises a much faster deployment and a cost saving potential of up to 40% over the traditional methods. We explore or we urge our customers to explore the Insta-FinPro package. And we also wish Persepier a very successful monetization of the Insta-FinPro package. Thank you so much. Over to the webinar.
Hi everyone, I am Shweta Kaushik from APJ Partner Solution Adoption Team, and I am responsible for business development and go-to-market programs for SAP Qualified Partner Package Solutions. And today I have Shashank Jain with me, who is the solution expert for SAP Business by Design solution. So Shashank, tell me, how will the future look like for SMEs with SAP Qualified Partner Package Solutions?
Thanks for having me here. Shweta, to answer your question, how the future will look like, I would say that I can answer this from two perspectives. One from the process perspective and another from people perspective. Let's start with the process point of view. So from process side, the package solution ensures that we have integrated pieces. We have integrated solution, seamlessly connected solution, and the solution which is built on the best practices. Here, I would say it's not only the SAP best practices, but also the best practices which are coming from partners' field experience. So, integrated solution, well-defined processes helps us to manage the business growth and provide a good tool to go ahead in our implementation journey. If I think from the people perspective, Shweta, what our people want, they want the roles and responsibilities clearly defined. They should know what is expected out of them, and I would say that the workflows, the approvals, or the focus of efficiency, that is what we get. Additionally, the technology innovation, the automation piece of it, right? We want the employees to focus on the high value tasks instead of doing the manual tasks. So a package solution like Insta-FinPro is exactly does that and make it a future look very, very bright.
And that brings me to the next question to you, Shashank. How will SAP qualified partner packages like Insta-FinPro lead to digital transformation of SMEs in the future?
Digital transformation is a key thing for business success, Shweta. That's a good question. I would say that if we have to define the digital transformation, it is the rethinking of how you can improve your customer experience, how you can innovate your business models, and how you can make your business operations more efficient and effective. So, deliver value, generate more revenues, and improve the efficiency. And this is what is promised, or this is exactly what is delivered through our package solution.
Thank you, Shashank, for that. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
We hope that this webinar has given you a perspective on how Insta-FinPro can be an ideal package for starting your journey with SAP Cloud ERP Solutions. However, we also understand that you may have many questions and would like to know more and get into the details. Therefore, we offer you a free discovery workshop for your business to help you in your evaluation process and answer your questions. Discovery Workshop is a personalized transformation digital workshop from Persepier specifically for your enterprise. In this workshop, we study your business, and based on our study, we provide a customized and in-depth assessment of how the Insta-FinPro package can benefit your business. We will also answer all your questions regarding the Insta-FinPro package and show you a detailed demo of Insta-FinPro. To get a discovery workshop from Persepier, Free of cost, you could reach us at the given email ID or call us at the given phone number. Now, I request everyone to please take a minute to answer the poll displayed on your screen. So the first question is, do you feel that a solution like Insta-FinPro can help your business grow? You can answer in yes and no. Thank you so much. Now let's proceed with the second poll question which is displayed on your screen. That is, would you be interested in knowing more about Percipio Insta-FinPro? We urge everyone to please answer this poll question. Now, the third and the last poll question for the day is, would you be interested in having a free discovery session with Percipio to evaluate Insta-FinPro? I would request everyone again to please answer the poll displayed on your screen. Thank you for all the responses. Now let's proceed with the Q&A session. If you haven't shared your questions yet, I request the audience to please drop them in the Q&A section at the left of the screen. An expert will be answering your questions. We'll wait for 5 seconds and then we'll begin. Let's begin with the first question we have received. What would be the implementation timeline and pricing for the Insta-FinPro? I'll repeat, what would be the implementation timeline and pricing for the Insta-FinPro? I would request Vidya to please answer the question.
Thank you, Faizan, for the question. Well, the implementation timelines and for the Insta-FinPro package is comparatively very less than the general implementation projects that we do. It's a package in itself, and it has a fixed scope for implementation, and the implementation would not take more than 8 weeks. Plus, there is 2 weeks of hypercare support. So that's the implementation timeline. Whereas the costing, as far as the costing goes, it is like there are two parts to it. One is about the implementation fees, which is basically for the implementing the software, and then is the SAP license fees, which is for the user licenses. So the user licenses part would cost you around 14 lakhs, and the implementation would be around 10 lakhs. Yes, Faizan. Can we move to next question?
That was very insightful. Thank you, Vidya. Now let's move on to the next question. How is Percipio different from other SAP partners?
Okay. So when we say a partner for a partner in true sense, actually, it's not only about implementing a software and then moving away. It's actually being a partner in your complete digital transformation, wherein Persevere is truly a partner in that sense. We not only have our experts in the area of SAP consulting, but we do have expertise in other technologies, emerging technologies, especially in terms of process mining, be it artificial intelligence or machine learning. Plus, our presence around the globe helps us to be the preferred partner. So, in case you have your subsidiaries or your sister concerns around the globe, then we are the right partners to look out for.
Okay. Now the next question for you is we have multiple businesses like services, engineering, consultancy, lab, solutions, manufacturing, etc. Will this help us? We are presently using Tally. How will this software link with Tally, which gives quick solution for all the latest stacks?
Um, to answer your question, actually, SAP Business by Design is an ERP in itself. When I say ERP, it constitutes about all the other functions of a business, be it HR, be it finance, be it procurement, be it sales or manufacturing or supply chain management. InstaFinPro is it's a package which is designed for a fixed scope, which constitutes about finance and procurement. Plus, additionally, I think there's some HR part also in it. But to be very honest, a business by design is a complete ERP in itself. We can get on to an discovery call with you to understand your needs and get into the details of how an ERP would help you. If I consider Tally vis-a-vis business by design, I think Tally is predominantly financial management software, whereas BYD will help you manage your complete business along with finances. So, if there would not be any need to actually integrate Tally with by design, because by design in itself has a finance package inside it. So, if we get into a discovery call, we'll be able to explain to you more and get into the further details of your business and provide you the right solution. So please do get in touch with us and let's take this ahead. Yes.
Okay. And the next question we have received is we have about 100 employees will require for about 30 to 50 users. How much would it cost and how many modules are available?
Uh, as I said during my while answering the earlier question as well, SAP license cost or the user cost depends upon the number of users. Plus, there are different types of users with which you would need to actually evaluate whether you want that user to operate on your ERP system or the user is an employee and he needs only to enter his timesheets or expenses or leave requests. So we would it would actually depend upon the type of user and the activities that he'll be performing on SAP Business by Design. So that will decide the costing of the user. So and the modules that by design has is uh, it covers all the end-to-end modules right from HR, customer relationship management, supplier relationship management, supply chain management, and finance. And and there are some basic field services and soft modules which takes care of the servicing part. So we can get into a discussion which will help us to evaluate your business model and give you the right information. Yeah, do get in touch with us.
Okay. And the next question for you is, does FinPro covers all the manufacturing and quality module required for pharmaceutical manufacturing industries?
Well, FinPro will not, FinPro is basically a package, it's a package in itself which has a fixed scope and which consists of finance and procurement. Whereas, as you rightly said, manufacturing is more about quality management and the production processes, the shop floor processes, and plus the supply planning. In its supply planning, which is nothing but your material requirement planning. All these features are available in by design, but FinPro is not the package for manufacturing. So it would be best if you can get onto a call and we can go through your queries and explain it to you the features which are available in SAP Business by Design for the manufacturing industry, and we can then take it ahead from there.
And the last question for the day is from EPC company. How we will manage it along with multiple location businesses and activity of work which are covered under EPC work.
Well, SAP Business by Design is a cloud product and which can be accessed from anywhere. It's a URL in itself, so you just have to have a user ID and password. You enter the URL and you log in into the system and start your activities. So it's like that. So the multiple locations can access by design in that way. Whereas in managing the locations in your business, so you can create your org structure in a way to manage to include all your different businesses across the location, which will then be part of the ERP system and various business functions or various operations. Maybe one location is just a warehouse, or the other one is a manufacturing unit. The third one may be a distribution center, and the fourth would be a corporate office. So all of these can be managed under uh, one global company. So that can be done. So for further details, do get in touch with us. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Vidya, for sharing your expert views and duly answering the questions raised. Truly valuable and interesting takeaways from this session. We have received a lot of questions, but due to shortage of time, we'll be answering the remaining questions through emails, or you can always get in touch with us for a discovery workshop. Thank you so much once again for attending the webinar.